Sup guys, it's Cool Story Bro Tech. In today's video I've got an unboxing of a Steam Link. Now I got this a long time ago. I got it in the sale. There was a big sale on Steam and it was my buddy that actually got my attention to actually buy one of these. I managed to pick one up. If I can find my receipt in my email, I'll let you know in the comments of how much it was. At the minute they retailing at like $39.99 altogether, so $40 altogether, which is not a bad price. If you think of you going to buy one of these because it's like a portable computer, it's not. It's basically a streaming box. It kind of reminds me of the Apple TV to the Apple TV 4, where you can actually, basically stream content. As you know, Apple has actually took away the Steam. I rejected it, and I don't know why, because I was really looking forward to it, because I did have an iPad Pro 12.9 inch and I had an iPad mini, but on an iPhone it'd be so cool to stream games, even though the screen is kind of small, but it'd be so awesome to play in my bed or relaxing on my couch, and I don't really want to look on my PC screen. I can actually go on my phone. That'd be so awesome. So hopefully in the near future Apple might actually say, you know what, this is awesome, I don't know why we rejected it, we should put it on the App Store again. Pretty cool box, and on the back of it tells you what it does. So that's your TV there, your PC there. You've got loads of TVs in your place. Like at the minute I've got 2 TVs, and because of my computer is it's an iMac 27 inch, which is really nice, but my TV, it's big. I think it's like 56 to a 60 inch TV, so it's a lot more bigger, and I put the color depth a lot more better than before. When I used to play my Xbox, like GTA on it or any other Xbox games, it used to look amazing. It looked like people thought I actually did a graphics mod. I was like, no, it's just my, it's just my colors on my TV. I've just made them a lot more better. This is what you have to do. So basically that is your PC. You hook it up to your internet connection, of course, and you can play all your Steam games. So it's not just Steam games automatically. Like, as you know, if you go out there, sometimes you buy the CD or the game is not actually on Steam, you can actually add games to Steam, which is awesome. I've done it many times. It works awesome. So say if I wanted to stream a game, you're thinking, oh, it's not on Steam, but I've got it on here. All you have to do is basically go in the menu, add a non-Steam game, and then you choose the game that you want, you click on it, and then boom, it should be ready to go. So let's get to the unboxing of the Steam Link. Okay, so this is what you get in a box. So when you open it, you're first granted with the official Steam box, which is really nice. It kind of feels plasticky. I thought it would feel like an Apple TV. It's probably got some like cellophane on it to protect it from getting scratched. I'll do like a feel test to see how it feels. It does feel plasticky. I don't know why, but it does. As you can see, we've got a quick starter guide, which is awesome if you don't know how to use this. Steam Link product guide, which will tell you everything about the product and how you use it. And of course, we should have the mains. So it looks like it's another box. Okay, just to get that out, there we go. I should have got a knife for this. I mean, a lot of YouTubers have a knife. Like, they have colourful knives, but I ain't really got, I've got a kitchen knife, but I don't really want to be like, hey guys, I got a kitchen knife, I'm just gonna, cut things up and stuff like that. But, I'm just gonna try and open this really quick. Oh, that was a hard one, but I managed to get it open. It looks like we got we got different mains. That is so cool. It kind of reminds me of the MacBook charger. You get 3 mains, which is awesome. So say if you was traveling, you want to play video games, but some people do, when they get bored and they're like, play a bit of video games, stream it and stuff like that. You can use them, which is nice, I guess. It's a nice feature that Steam actually put in. So we got another box. What's in this box? Let's have a look. So these are power mains. Plug it in. Yeah, you actually plug it into the Steam Link box, and this is, wow, this is an HDMI. Wow, that's so cool. They've actually put one in, which, as you know, most companies don't do that no more. They used to, but most companies like, you know what, you've got HDMIs laying around, you can figure it out. Steam has been so nice that they actually put HDMI cable in, which is really nice as well. I don't know if it's roughly like a nice small one, but no, it fits really nice, which is really awesome. So that's really nice that they put that in. And we got like a wow, what's this? Ethernet cable, which is really nice. So, I mean, I ain't got many Ethernet cables laying around. I've got like a big blue one and it's really massive, but this looks really nice and it's got like this black matte finish, which is really nice. Everything you get. So, damn, did I just scratch that? Oh, no, that's good, that's good. Right, so let's just peel off the cellophane from protecting it. I thought it was actually covered in cellophane, and it is. Only on the side though, not on the top. It feels really plasticky. I thought it would feel like it says an Apple TV. Nice material, which is probably gonna scratch a lot. That's why they probably cellophaned that, you know, the sides of it and stuff. And here are the actual ports that you get. The power port, I think there are 2 USBs because you can actually get this in a bundle. I mean, because I should have gone with the controller. I mean, I did a controller unboxing many years ago. So I should have gone with the bundle, but I didn't. I just went with the Steam box itself. Ethernet port and a HDMI port, which is really nice. And that's about it. On the actual bottom, it's got like this material where, like when you put it on this, like a table like this, it's not gonna move unless you really force it to. So what I'm gonna do, I'm actually gonna get my Apple TV and actually compare the size to see how big this is towards a 4th gen Apple TV. My Apple TV, as you can see right now, so I've actually put it straight to the edge, and as you can see, it's kind of roughly the same as the edge, but over here, you can see it's like the Apple TV is a lot more smaller. So let's pull them both down and try and get them to the edge so you can actually see kind of a good measuring. So let's do it on the side. Let's do it here. To see they're like probably there. So yeah, that's roughly how small an Apple TV is towards a Steam to a Steam box. So I'm just gonna like, so the Apple TV's got a bit of weight to it, you know, not as much. So let's see if I can actually, you know, I mean, you can carry both, of course. You're not gonna be like really, you know, actually struggling to carry both. The Steam box is a lot more lighter than the Apple TV, of course, because this has got probably a lot more power. Because, you know, with this, when I first seen these announced, I was like, oh my God, this is the smallest computer ever. What processor is it got inside? And people's like, what, bro? What processor? And I'm like, what processor? What processor has it got in it? And people's like, it's not a computer, it's a streaming device. I was like, oh, okay. Smallest computer I've ever seen, but of course it's not. But I do love the shape, how they've done it. It's really nice. I mean, you know, it can actually stand up like this if you wanted it to. Wow, wait a minute. That's a secret port. I've just realized it looks like another USB. So it looks like we get 3 USBs. You can actually stand it up like this if you wanted to. And, you know, I wouldn't say it's a good idea because, you know, when you like, you know, nudge it like so and, you know, just smash it, I don't know. But yeah, you don't really want to do that, but you can actually, you know, stand it up like that. So say like you're not using it and, you know, you got like an entertainment center and like, you know, you use like, you got books there or magazines, you can actually like stack it up. So it's pretty cool. It's really nice to have. If you've got that $39.99 laying around, then yeah, of course, buy one of these. Like I said, don't be fooled like me thinking, oh my God, it's a small computer. How awesome is this future getting? Because it's not, it's just a streaming device. So if you've got a lot of Steam games, or you're actually starting up Steam and you're thinking, well, hang on, I want to stream to my TV, it's probably the best one to go. Now on eBay, they are going for quite a lot more cheaper than the regular price. Like on Amazon, I think they're $39.99, and on eBay, they're roughly fetching $26 to $25.99. But if you keep an eye out on Steam, they always do sales. And lucky enough, my buddy was on Steam. He's like, dude, this Steam Link is on sale. You need to buy it. And like I said, I'll give you the actual price in the descriptions. Probably just give it like till like you know, summer's already gone, summer sale's already gone, because that's where it was in the summer sale. But if you give it until like probably Christmas or the holidays, try then, I'm sure you'll be able to pick one up. Bundles, you can have a Steam controller, but if you don't want a Steam controller, it works out a lot more cheaper. So yeah, this is the Steam box. Thanks for watching, hope you enjoy, and stay tuned for more videos on this, and I'll be sure to do them as soon as possible. And I just want to say thanks for all the subscribers, thanks for all the support. If you have any questions about any products that I show, any videos that I do, let me know. I'll be sure to answer them as soon as possible, because at the minute my email is full, should I say, and it's really hard to get through the emails of people, probably some scammers or, you know, real people. So if you're waiting for me to reply to a comment, don't worry, I'll be replying to comments as soon as possible. So thanks for watching.